Hi, toucans. Good morning. Mr. Shoemaker's in the kitchen. You're going to hear him make coffee soon, okay? I'm happy to see you. Happy Friday. Are you guys ready? What do we do first? Do we sing Skinnamarink Dinky Doo? Do we... What? We sing Rise and Shine, right? Okay, here we go. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. Louder. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. Softer. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. How are you today? Are you wide awake or are you a little sleepy? I was sleepy, but I took Cora for a walk and now I'm awake because it's kind of chilly outside. All right, first thing we're going to do is the calendar. Okay, so we are still in the month of May. Please say that with me. May. Good job. Counting time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Today is Friday, May 8th. And before I forget, there's something very important coming up. It's going to actually happen before we meet again for our next class. Sunday is Mother's Day. So you know what you need to do for me? Can you do something for me? Because you're getting bigger every day. You can do lots of things. Please make sure you give your mom big hugs. Big hugs where you squeeze and you count to 10. Okay, big hugs where you squeeze and count to 10. And there's something very important you should say. I love you. Mommy will love that, okay? Can you guys do that for me? Thumbs up. Fantastic. And it doesn't just need to be one hug. You could do a couple of hugs every day when you see her and when she has a moment, okay? All right. So we've done our Rise and Shine. We've done the calendar. It's time to look outside. I'm going to look out my window. Can you see it's kind of bright over here? Let me turn you and we'll look out my window. Okay, there we go. Let's see. What do you see? Out my window, my sky is really bright and it's a little bit white and a little bit blue. What does yours look like? So I have a partly cloudy sky and no wind at my house. Do you have wind? Okay, it's time to check in with our caterpillars, okay? Now remember, were they caterpillars last time? No, remember they hung upside down and had made a little sleeping bag for themselves. We call it a chrysalis or a cocoon. And they're going to stay in there while they change. Okay, so let me bring you over. Let's check them. There's the first seed. They're just hanging now. And then let's check out. Oh, that was the first one, sorry. There's the second. They're still there, no change. But actually that's good. They're supposed to be there for 2 weeks, maybe for 14 days. So guess what we're gonna do now? I'm gonna sit back down and today we're gonna get something green out of a tree. Because remember we've already done red, orange, and yellow. We got an apple, an orange, a lemon. Let's do the lime, okay? Way up high in the lime tree, I see a lime looking at me. So shake that tree as hard as I can. Down comes the lime, pick it up. Did you get it? Hold it tight, cut it, take a lick. Ooh, bitter. Or do you like lime? Some people like it, I kind of like it myself. All right, show me 2 hands, 1 finger each. 2 little blackbirds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Okay, let's do the turtles, right? I have a little turtle. He lives in a box. He swims in a puddle and he climbs up the rocks. He snapped at a mosquito. He snapped at a flea. He snapped at a minnow. And he snapped at me. He caught the mosquito. He caught the flea. He caught the minnow, but he didn't catch me. Good job. We're going to do some science now. Last time we made a video, or you watched the video, I said we're going to do exothermic reactions. Can you say that? Exothermic. That means something's going to happen and we could see it or feel it. And guess what? When we do it, we're going to get to say hi to Mr. Shoemaker and to Megan. They're making breakfast. Oh, well, maybe people don't want to be on video, so I respect that. So guess what? Since they're working in the kitchen, no, it's okay. I'm going to move to the other room. I'm leaving the kitchen. When I set up, it was empty, but it's full now. So we're in, you know what? There's coffee being made, Cora's looking out the window, lots of fun things. So we're just gonna carry our experiment into the dining room. Megan already ran out. All right, here we go. I'm gonna set you guys right there. Oh yes, you'll be able to see everything, okay? All right, let me move our calendar. Here we go. Well, our caterpillars could see us, but they're sleeping in their cocoons, so they're not gonna watch. Okay, are we good? We're good, okay. So, I have an experiment. Are you ready? Okay, so I have some cups here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your thumb down. There's your 4 fingers. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you do that? Perfect. So exothermic reaction means we're going to see something happen. So I have 1 cup. It's empty. This cup has a little something in it. This is baking soda. I'm going to add a liquid to it. Kind of looks like water, right? Because it's clear, it's colorless. It's not water, it's vinegar. And since it's science, we don't drink it. We're just gonna watch. We're gonna watch with our toes. What are we gonna watch with? Our ears? Your tummy. You're gonna watch with your tummy? No, we're gonna watch with our eyes, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna do, we're gonna call it our control. I'm gonna take our vinegar. It kind of smells a little funny. Hey, if you guys dyed Easter eggs at Easter, you may have been able to see some vinegar. So I'm gonna pour some vinegar in. What's gonna happen? Any ideas? Let's find out. Did anything happen? No. Did the color change? Nope. Okay, so vinegar is still vinegar when you take it out of the bottle and pour it into the cup. Now, I'm gonna add vinegar to a little bit of baking soda. Do you think it's gonna change colors? Maybe. Do you think something's gonna happen? All right, are you ready? Can you help me count to 3? 1, 2, 3. Did something happen? I don't know if you can hear it. we could see that it bubbled up and we can hear it. You see all those bubbles? It's almost all done. So, when you add vinegar and baking soda, something happens and we can see it and we can hear it. The color didn't change, but it bubbles. The vinegar made the baking soda get bubbly. See, look at the difference. This was just plain vinegar. You can still see some of the bubbles in this one. They're almost all gone. I have a question. What would happen if I put more of the baking soda in this one and added the vinegar? Is it still gonna bubble? Oh, hi Cora. Is it still gonna bubble, do you think? Should we try it? All right, so I have more baking soda in this one. Ready? Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3. Did it go up higher? It did. And look at all of those bubbles in there. Those are all bubbles. Can you hear it? Oh my goodness, it's still going. Has the color changed? So adding more of the white baking soda on the bottom didn't make the color change, but it made the bubbles go up even higher. So we added from this one to this one more baking soda and the bubbles went higher. Do you think if we add more baking soda, it'll go even higher? What do you think? Yes or no? Is it going to go higher? Should we find out? I'm going to scoot these over because I have a feeling I might know the answer to this. Okay. I'm going to hold it. And there's more. Can you see there's even more baking soda in this one? Lots of it. Should we add the vinegar to the baking soda? Remember, this is an exothermic reaction. We see something happening and we can hear it too. So our eyes and our ears. Are we ready? Are we set? Now what do you think? Is it going to go higher? More bubbles? Let's find out. Okay, help me count. 1, 2, 3. Let's try it a little more. Will it go up? Whoa! It's like, can I tell you something? Have you ever seen a pretend volcano? It's the same kind of thing. You add a little bit more. Let's see if it'll go up and over. So the more baking soda we add, the bigger the reaction. Pretty cool. Now you know what an exothermic reaction looks like. The color in our experiment didn't change, but the amount of bubbles got bigger and bigger and bigger. The more baking soda we added. Pretty fun. I thought we should do 3 little monkeys. Are you guys ready? Show me 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Good. 3 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator's quiet as can be, and snap! 1, 2. You ready? 2 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator's quiet as can be, and snap! How many now? 1. One little monkey sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator's quiet as can be, and snap! Great job, toucans. Now remember, this weekend, starting today and all of Saturday and Sunday, when you find Mom and she has a minute, give her a big hug, squeeze tight, and count to 10. Let's practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what do you say? I love you. Perfect. All right, let's get ready for our goodbye song, okay? Skinnamarink-a-dinky-doo, skinnamarink-a-doo. I love you. Skinnamarink-a-dinky-doo, skinnamarink-a-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning. I love you late at night. I love you in the evening when the moon is shining bright. Skinnamarink-a-dinky-doo, skinnamarink-a-doo. I love you. Miss Liz and I miss you. And remember this weekend, say Happy Mother's Day. Bye, toucans.